In 47 months, one American factory built more military vehicles than every Axis power combined, and the Jeep that beat Hitler cost just $738. Toledo, Ohio, 1944. Over 640,000 of these little machines were built in just 47 months. This is the story of how America engineered the Jeep that helped win World War II.
Go, move up! Get to the dunes, keep moving! Watch out for that crater! Hang on back there, this sand is soft.
Just keep it steady, we're almost at the top.
The first vehicle onto blood-soaked sand wasn't a tank. Move! 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 Watch the left flank! Hold tight, we're hitting that berm hard! Get them loaded! Watch your head, buddy! Clear these crates out of the way, we're moving! Go, go, move inland! Watch the wire! We need support on the left flank now!
2,000 miles from the beaches Coyern, Toledo, Ohio.
Another day, another dozen Jeeps for the boys overseas.
You said it, let's get to it!
We need to hit 415 today.
We'll get there, just keep working.
Cold rolled steel from Pittsburgh, 60,000 tons of it every year.
Keep it coming down easy now. All right, steady as she goes.
Keep it coming up, that's good. Now swing her around to the east bay. $800 tons of pressure, one strike. One chassis rail.
Three presses, running simultaneously, 24 hours a day.
This one's ready for the line.
By lunchtime, 1,200 chassis rails. By midnight, 3,000.
Block 4 operations are underway. The stamped chassis moves into the welding sequence.
Make sure the tolerances are exact here. We can't have any weak points on the frame.
Every axle fitted brings us one step closer to victory. These vehicles are the backbone of the Allied advance.
A rolling frame, waiting for its heart.
The Go Devil engine. 60 horsepower of unstoppable American iron.
Power meets the pavement. The war machine takes shape.
A 134 cubic inches, 60 horsepower, hand built to last.
Each Jeep contained over 4,400 individual parts.
Fourteen workers. One engine. 45 minutes.
Keep it coming down, slow and steady.
Clear on this side.
All right, she's home. All right, engage the starter. She's alive.
Oil pressure stable at 40? Sounds smooth, sir. The Go Devil L134. The engine that would climb mountains, ford rivers, and outlast empires.
All right, bring her down slow. Watch the clearance on the firewall. Hold it right there. Clear on the left side.
All right, set her down.
The marriage, body to chassis. 18 volts. 4 minutes.
There's nothing quite like driving the classics through the old neighborhood.
Keep her steady. Watch the rear alignment.
All right, she's bolted down. Good work.
Perfect marriage. Let's move it out.
Olive drab number 319, the color of the war.
Keep it moving. Almost there. Push the next one through.
All right, ladies. Next panel. Keep it moving. Keep it tight.
Torque on this bolt is perfect.
Looks good. Send her off.
The first one's off the line.
And many more to come. We did it.
One Jeep every 80 seconds. 415 per day.
That's another 100 Jeeps ready for the front lines. Steady work, everyone.
June 6, 1944. Omaha Beach. The Jeep was there from the first wave. Secure the stretcher!
All right, let's go, let's go. Get us to that LST.
There she goes. Best one yet.
It truly is a beauty. Ready for anything. Hooray! It's finally over! Woo! We did it!
This production by NextForge Labs is created for educational and illustrative purposes using advanced AI technologies. Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to video generation, human creativity leads every step. NextForge Labs channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.